If you are trying to grow on TikTok and you feel like it's just not working out for you, I have a little tip that I try to implement every single time I pull out my camera. You have to realize that every video that you are posting on here is going out and being dropped in front of complete strangers. So how do you get those strangers to want to hit the follow button? Honestly, the best type of content I feel like that works the best for growing your following is tips and advice and educational content, but also dropping in little hints about who you are as a person, what type of products that you have, what your page is about. Like, that's the type of content you need to be creating 90% of the time, because that video is getting dropped in front of strangers. I see so many people start digital marketing or start their accounts and post content, and they get stuck in this phase of everybody knows what I'm doing. Everybody knows the tips and advice. Everybody knows everything about me. And really, that's not the case, because your videos, at least on TikTok, are getting pushed out every single time to strangers. So keep that in mind next time you pull out your camera. I promise you that is how I get high views on my videos. That's how I start gaining followers. That's how I get more engagement. I promise you it works. So try it on your next video.